Okay? If I'm not saying go, don't go. Just wait. If I don't feel comfortable, then I want you to come inside. I'm going to pull you inside sometime.
After last some instructions, he took us to the dressing room and we changed our clothes. I got the orange color one, flying suit. It was nice and perfect fit for me. While I am doing all of these things, I was very literally very excited and tensed about the flying and landing. Mainly the issue was the climb out. Like he was saying that you need to climb out when I say climb out. So many of you will be thinking that why I am making this video in English. It's because of so many my friends, like whoever helped me won't understand our language, my mother tongue Malayalam. So that I am doing this in English. Here my aircraft, like not mine, like the aircraft is here. Its name is, it's not a name, it's the model name is C172, and I will be using a Navigator 240 parachute. The aircraft was very small and cute. Like what do I say, like the first time view is this, like it was very shiny and it was very nice. Now we will do some practical lessons with the aircraft.
Sure, take the camera door and take off. So you get inside, you're going to sit here, facing that side. Okay? Put your legs straight, just relax. I'm going to sit here. Okay? So 2000 feet में we will fly over the runway so that I want you look down. ऊपर का एक पिक्चर मिल जाएगा कि okay, this is my runway, this is my hangar, that's my landing area and all. I will explain a little bit. So you are confident, then okay, we go. Then we take like 2 more rounds, then we come for the final. So around 5,500 feet or 5,000 feet, okay? 4,000 feet, I want be on your knees, like just slowly get up, you turn, you put your knees here and face to me. Okay? So if someone having static line, I'm going to hook up the static line and wait. If you are jumping IID, I'm holding your pilot chute. I'm holding and I'm holding here. I'm holding your left shoulder. Okay? And we'll wait. 5,000 feet, I'll spot. Then I'm going to reduce the speed, cut off the speed a little bit. Then just one command, climb out. Climb out, kaisa karna hai? Just jump. Okay? So you do this and wait for my command. So sometimes like I want you like move forward a little bit, move forward a little bit. ठीक है? So this is your position. You got it?
Yes.
Okay. Climb out. Stress out. Move forward. Right hand. Slowly. Right leg. You got my point? Yeah. ठीक है? Left hand. And because you have big parachute on your back. Left leg. ये आ गया? Slowly move your hands. Yeah. You got it? Once you settle down, so you have parachute on your back, so bend your knees a little bit. Look my left. Go. So you are like this, okay? Look my left, smile. Go. Head back, chin up. You are just, see, jump nahi karna hai. You're going to jump, you're going to hit on the tire, on the rod, okay? You like this? Look my left, okay? Look up, chin up. Just let go. The wind going to push you back. Just let go. 1,000, 2,000. I want you see the aeroplane, okay? 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 7,000. By the time the wind going to push you this side, whatever side. You like this? Relax. Then look to the canopy. Check the canopy. Triple S. Straight. Slider down. And square. Check kar diya. Check your altimeter. There is no twist. If you have twist, do not release your brake. Untwist first. Okay? Twist तो आपको मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. ठीक है? 100%. So just be ready. एक दो twist मिलेगा तो अपने आप clear हो जाएगा. Otherwise, like just hold your risers. Kick the opposite side. Get clear. Then you release your brake. Do a canopy control check. Canopy control check में क्या करेंगे? Fly कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा. Release your brake. Just do one pump. Then let go. If the slider is too high, pump one time. Relax. Check your altimeter. Check your landing area. Okay, I want to turn right. Look right. Pull right. Hands up. ये जो tree है ना, इसके ऊपर ही drop करूँगा. Everyone. You're going to be there. Like जो road है, road के ऊपर right. You can see your hangar on your left. You can see your runway on your right. You're going to be in the center. That means you are perfect. Okay? That's your flying area. Fly, fly, fly. Do not cross. Do not come inside till 1800 or 1500 feet. Suppose you are inside, fly the opposite side. Face the wind and fly. Fly your canopy. Right turn, left turn. जो भी आपको करना है.
Now he explained us how to do, how to climb out everything. Now we will do a practical on the aircraft. Now it's my turn to do the climb out procedure and practice 1 or 2 times. By he will be guiding me, and now you can see the videos.
The camera is here. Don't worry, it's wild. So no worry about camera. So look at me. Go. Just let. As soon as you move, bend your knees. Okay. अगर आप bend नहीं कर रहे हो, you're going to flip. Okay. Because the wind going to push you, you're going to flip. Back flip or front flip. Or you're going to like dumbbell. As soon as you leave the plane, cross your arms. Bend your knees back. So as soon as you leave the plane, you go like this position and like a little bit, and the parachute open. You'll be straight. If you don't bend your knees, as soon as you exit, you're going to be like one and come. And the parachute also like opening time. You're going to like as soon as you exit, cross your arms, bend your knees back.
This is Indy, who is packing our parachutes for flying. Like he will make sure that the parachute is perfect and ready to fly. He was very nice. He was from Visakhapatnam and he is a very experienced guy. First they are going to send a experienced diver to the sky, and he will show us how to turn and like how to land, mainly to increase our confidence. In the first round, an experienced diver and our coach and a tandem guy, like tandem guy will be jumping with the instructor from 10,000 feet, and the tandem guy was also from Kerala, and we had a small chat while he was getting ready for the jump. But after him I was going to jump, so I don't get a chance to meet him again. If he is seeing this video, please comment, we need to talk. By the seeing the aircraft moving, and I'm literally excited, and what we say, like I'm literally excited and tensed also, like by seeing all the experienced diver is easily coming down and he's doing perfect landings, but I don't know how I am going to do. This is Vam, who is in the air, just landed. He is not just a diver, he is a photographer also. He is doing his work for Sky High now. He took beautiful shots for us. Now we are speaking with Rudra. He is the founder of Sky High in India, and he is giving us so much of like life experience, and he's he's making us much confident, and he's telling that he's chill, it's not worry, it's very easy. His words really helped me to get much confident. He told that he will be guiding me through the wireless, and he take me to parachute and equipment storeroom. Then he helped me out to take the parachute on me, and he tightened all the belts and clips over the parachute, which will be the life-saving things for me while I am flying. The best thing over here was everyone was very nice and everyone was very kind. Like the first timers like us were very tensed and very excited, so like we were like not in our hand, like we are like so many things are running in our mind, so they help us so much to be comfortable and to be nice, and it really helped me a lot. Now everything is done. I think he found that I am little nervous. So yeah, he asked me like what we will do with if some emergencies. So like he want to know that I'm confident and I'm okay to do whatever things they taught us on the trainings and the sessions. Now he's okay, like he's okay, you will do it, yo, come on man, chill, everything is okay now. Now let's go and jam, come happy.
ചാടാ പോവാന്ന് പറയണ പട്ടി ചാടാ പോവാ കടവില് കാപ്പത്തുമ്പോ അജ്മലേ ഇടൂ പഠിപ്പിച്ചത്
Amal is trying to make me like laugh and looking to the camera, but I'm literally like tensed about the jump. He is telling look to the camera and say hi, bye, but that time I can't do anything. I am literally tensed. Now Rudra is connecting a wireless walkie-talkie on my chest. Then he can guide me while I am flying. Now I am all set for the flying. Now I am moving forward to the aircraft. My coach is waiting there for me, and he will be doing the again the checking of parachutes and my equipments, altimeter. Here the final checking is going on, and the aircraft is on. Everything is set for the fly. Like he is thoroughly checking me, my parachute. Like it was a shivering moment. Like the aircraft is it's loud and it was very powerful. Whomever is around us, like the whoever come for the tandem jumps, and Amal and all other staffs are looking us like the first solo jumper. On that day I was the first solo jumper who is going to jump. Like this is the second round on that day, like the aircraft is going to fly. First time I told you like a tandem guy and experienced diver Vam was there. Now I am going to fly. Like the flight has been taken from and it is moving to the runway, and now we are going to towards the end of the runway. Then we will take off. Then we will fly. Here I am on air, I am flying. Now just enjoy the video and support. The orange dot on the screen is me and my parachute. Here I landed safely, and Amelie is showing a hi to me, and I am literally surprised and happy. After landing, I am going on talking. I was not stopping the talking because I need to explain so much to everyone. Like, I'm literally excited. നമ്മുടെ ഡൈവ് കഴിഞ്ഞിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അടിപൊളിയാണ്, ഒരു രക്ഷയില്ല. ഇപ്പോഴും കിതപ്പ് കയറിയിട്ടില്ല. ആദ്യം അവിടുന്ന് ഞാൻ കൈ വിടാൻ പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് ഫുള്ള് കൈ വിട്ടില്ല. ഞാൻ വിട്ടിട്ട് വീണ്ടും പിടിച്ച് പേടിച്ചിട്ടായിരിക്കണം, പക്ഷെ പിന്നെ ഞാൻ എന്നെ വിട്ടിട്ട് എല്ലാം സെറ്റായി. ഓക്കെ, ഐ വിൽ പോസ്റ്റ് വിത്ത് ദം ഓൾസോ. നീ എടുത്തോട്ടെ. This guy does a great job to save our lives, so a photograph with them. Now the second round of solo jumping he will be going. His name is Afsal, and he has a lots of doubt, like how was that, how to do that, this. And now I'm moving to Rudra, who was a fantastic guide. He helped me to safely land, and he was superb. And all credits goes to our coach Raj Kumar sir. I was explaining to Rudra like what was the experience and how I did the landing, because I took a safe slide landing in the landing area itself. Now it's time to give back all the equipments and jackets and everything to Vam. He will be taking that. After that I am going to change my clothes. While changing, Vam gave me the logbook of skydivers where we are going to record our jumps. Now I only have one jump which I am going to do record and sign by my instructor. If I got a great support from you guys, I will definitely do more jumps and I will complete the logbook. Definitely. I am also seeing the logbook first time. I had seen different logbook from different diver, and this is the sky high logbook which they given. And I am going to Warmling and I am telling him to send me the videos and photos. How was my jump?
So he did awesome
Yeah.
and perfect landing.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thank you. At last I talked to my instructor Raj, like how was my jump. Like that was the best part in this. Like our instructor was satisfied with my jump, and I am literally happy because of that also. Like totally this will be my lifetime like memory. Like this is my first solo static jump. Now I am going to get his sign on my logbook, and this is my first jump. So if you are going to support me more, I will be doing more and adventures, and we will see in future videos, and upcoming videos will be very nice. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you.